Alright guys, how's it going? So we've got to ease back into the week, taking it nice and easy here. And this is called Street Gen from Edges. And essentially what it does is, it creates a road from an edge. Nice and easy, basic script, it's available for free. I'll put a link in the description down below. And it's pretty damn cool to be honest, so let's just quickly jump into Blender. In traditional fashion, I'll delete the default cube. And what I'm going to do here is, I'm going to go to add, and I'm going to add in a single vert. Now this is the extra objects if you enable it in the preferences. I'm already in edit mode. I'm going to go to top view, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly extrude out something like this. Nice and easy. Let's make it a little bit more difficult. And there we go. So I essentially want to convert this into a road. Now you can see here it's planar, it technically sits on the one axis. So it's always good to keep your mesh nice and flat. I'll come to the properties tab here, you can see here, gen, street from edges, generate street from edges, and boom! I've got a road. How cool is that? It's the little things in life that just entertain me. Now obviously if we open up the dialog box on the left hand side, you can see here I can control things like the width, the bevel size. So obviously if I lower this number down, it gets a little bit more sharper, and if I put it up too high you end up with something completely strange. So you really do need to get some sort of balance, and that looks pretty good. So 0.45, that should do fine. Also here we have the beveled dead ends. You'll notice at the end that it kind of bevels. If you take this off it'll just come to a straight road. Pretty cool. You can up the subdivision count. You can also do things like the subdivision threshold angle. Angle based, yeah, you can kind of make it angle based so it kind of smooths things off. And you have things like edge length and subdivision count, so you can actually put the subdivision up pretty high. But that's pretty much it. It just shows you how easy it is to quickly create a road. And you could maybe use this in some other way. Maybe you could draw out text and then just kind of extrude it from there. But anyway, do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on Twitter, support my Gumroad, you know what to do. Take care.